Namaste friends, I am Vijeta, your yoga coach. Welcome to Pinaki Yoga. In today's video, we are going to learn about camel pose or Ushtrasana, how to do it properly and what should be the preparatory poses for this posture. So stay there, we are going to start it right now. The camel position is good for your chest opening and to increase the blood flow and flexibility of your spine. So before going for the actual posture, we need to try few preparatory poses for this posture. Number one is bridge pose. Come to the lying position. Keep your heels close to your hips so that you are able to touch your heels. Now inhale. While exhaling, lift your butts completely up. Take your chest completely towards your chin and slowly go down. So while exhaling, lift your body up, squeeze your glutes, take your chest completely towards your chin and hold here. Hold here for a few seconds and try to touch your heels if you can and slowly relax. Once again, inhale. While exhaling, squeeze your glutes, lift your hips up, pull your chest towards your chin. Slowly relax. So this practice will increase some flexibility in your spine at the beginner level so that camel posture or Ushtrasana will be easy for you. Next we are going to do Gomukhasana or cow facing posture. So for cow facing position, take your right hand up and try to touch the opposite scapula. Touch your left scapula and take your left hand from down and touch your right scapula. So you need to touch both of your hands. So to practice this, you need to touch opposite scapula first and try to draw your elbow, your upper elbow directly behind your head like this. So you can stretch your elbow like this. Hold it here for a few seconds. For this position, try to keep your elbow behind your head. Now you can take help of the belt. Hold the belt from your upper hand and another end from your lower hand. And now take your hands close to each other with the help of your belt. Hold it here. Focus on your elbow of your upper hand. Keep it straight behind your head. Once you are comfortable with this position, keep your back also completely straight. Once you are comfortable with this position, try to touch the fingers of both of the hands and slowly take the progression of your practice and hold your hand like this. Take the elbow behind your head completely and straight. Slowly release. Repeat this practice with other hand also in the same manner. Now for Ushtrasana, come on your knees and without using your hips, okay, do not take your body so much forward. Keep your hands on your core like this. Look straight and slowly bend your back and then come back. Okay, again bend your back and come back. Now here, inhale. While exhaling, bend your back and come back. Now in camel pose or Ushtrasana, The mistake that we do at beginner level is our hips are completely sagging down and we are not focusing on our hips, on our body, and we are just maintaining this position like this. But you need to keep your hips completely forward, chest completely open, elbows completely straight, and your head completely down. Okay? So do not keep your sagging hips like this. Keep your hips lifted and squeezed and your complete body tight and engaged. So for this, take your left hand first, and once you are able to open up your shoulders and there is enough flexibility in your back, you can easily hold your heel with your left hand. Okay? Keep your right hand in front of you like this and focus on your right hand. Hold this position. You can feel the stretch in your lower back. Elbow completely straight and your heel should be completely under your shoulder. Repeat the practice with the right hand. Again, do not sag your hips like this. Keep them completely squeezed and engaged and keep pushing your body forward. Now slowly take another hand back. Take your progression of the practice. So we can start from here again. Take your left hand back. Hold your left heel while inhale and exhale. Take your right hand back. Breathe normally. Again inhale and slowly come back while exhaling. Come to the child pose. Breathe for a few seconds. So we can again start it from here. Take your left hand back, hold the left heel, keep your glutes completely squeezed and engaged and completely forward. Chest completely open. Take your right hand back while exhaling. Head down. So do not sag your hips like this. Keep them lifted and body completely tight and engaged. You can feel the stretch in your lower back easily. Slowly take your left hand first and while exhaling, take your right hand and go to child pose. Relax for a few breaths and relax.